Adding a currency to your list of currencies that you wish to trade can be done by opening the currency grid. Here you can see all the currencies you have available right now. To add a new one, click on the plus button and add in the name of the currency. You can add it to your favorites, have it automatically create a cash account, and display it in your currency's rate board. Choose the smallest denomination for rounding. You can click on View Banknotes to confirm what it is. Since it's a foreign currency, we won't be accepting coins, so we'll choose the lowest paper bill denomination, which in this case is the 10. Since our base home currency is set to Canadian dollars, it's automatically chosen here. Down here, once we click on the Get Rate button, it will apply the current market rate. You can set a markdown and markup percentage on your buy and sell local currency rates so that it will then calculate it automatically for you. Alternatively, you can also set it manually. Here, you can see the inverse rate, the buy-sell rate of the foreign currency, which is editable as well if that makes it easier for you. You'll see the changes applied to the local currency rate once you edit it manually. When in automatic mode, you can also insert your profit margin in points format instead of percentage. Click on Calc Spread to see what the profit margin of your percentage is in points, and you can then round it off manually. You can click Calculate Markup to see what your point markup is in percentage. This optional field is for determining whether the teller will need to log the denominations of every trade. Here, you can set a conditional amount of when it will require denominations. For instance, if we insert 500, it will require a denomination when buying or selling more than the specified amount. If you leave it blank, whatever you've chosen here will apply to all amounts. Clicking here, you can select one or more branches that you want these rates to be applied to. This can be useful in the case where you want to have more competitive rates available only in specific branches. If none are selected, these rates will be applied to all your branches. Once you click Save and Close, you'll see your rate has been added along with its rates with the added margins. By clicking this button, Update Rates, it will update all your automatic rates to today's exchange rates. When you've selected to include a currency on your currency rate board, you can see the rate board by clicking here and double-clicking on the branch. You can then use this URL to display your currency rate at your branch. If you'd like to rearrange the order of the currencies, just click Change Order and drag and drop each currency to rearrange them. Or you can always click here to sort them alphabetically or filter to find a specific one.